Hey everyone, welcome back to We Made It Fit. Now, okay, before I get started, the reason why I'm wearing the same outfit and literally look exactly the same as I did in my leg and booty workout is because it is the same day. So no, I do not wear the same outfit every day. I just decided that I wanted to film twice because this is a pretty important topic that I want to talk about. Okay, so today's topic is all about motivation. I've been doing this push-up and sit-up challenge with my boyfriend for the past couple of weeks, and so every morning and every night we send each other a video of us doing 10 sit-ups, 10 crunches, and 10 push-ups. And we've been really consistent with it every day, every night for like 3 to 4 weeks now. And all of a sudden this week, my wonderful boyfriend decided not to send me any videos, and I was like, hey, what's up? Why haven't I seen any videos from you lately? I've been posting my videos, like, come on, bring me yours. And he told me, oh, you know, I had this and this going on and doing all of this. And just gave me all these reasons why he wasn't doing it. And I was like, you know, it's okay that you're busy, and I understand that you have a lot going on, but you need to do this for yourself. I said, I know that we're in this together, we're working as a team here, but in the end, you're not doing this for me, you're not doing this for anybody else. I know you have all these fitness goals and dreams that you aspire to, so you have to be in this for yourself. You have to set your own goals and set your own path and get what you want. You can't stop pursuing your dream just because you have all these obstacles in your way. That's actually the most important time to really define your dream and get what you're after, is when you have all these challenges that come up. And that shows you how much your dream means to you when you're still pursuing it, yet you still have all these things that are trying to keep you from it. So one thing that I always like telling my clients actually before they start any of my programs is, what are your reasons why? And I have them list their 5 reasons why they are going after whatever fitness goal they're pursuing. I think 5 is a really good number because what happens is that you end up cycling through all these different goals, and maybe one day you are really motivated to get that 6-pack or build up your arm muscles. And that's the reason why you end up going to the gym that day. Well, maybe another day, you know, maybe you're like, oh, I'm just so tired today. I don't care about getting on the muscles. I just want to be happy. I want to lie down all day. And so that's when you need to start looking at your other goal. Maybe the laziness will go away when you see on your list, hey, I just want to feel happy. I want to feel energized today, and let that be your motivation. There is a time and a place for every goal, and you need to have really strong reasons why you're doing what you're doing. And your motivation, it's going to change day to day. Over time, as you start achieving goals, it's really important to keep setting goals so you can constantly move yourself forward. So especially with fitness, what I found that helped me stay motivated was to keep leveling up my goals. I started really low, or not really low, I started really simple. I just wanted to feel better about myself. I didn't care about getting a 6-pack or anything like that. I just wanted to feel good about myself, and I started there. And I didn't let anything get in the way of me feeling great. And so I finally achieved that goal, and I moved up to the next goal, which was maybe getting a little bit more toned, a little stronger, a little more flexible, whatever that was, but I kept pushing myself. I didn't let anything get in the way. That's what you need to do if you want to be successful in anything. So to start whatever fitness goal that you have, again, list your 5 reasons, but don't just list them off in your head, write them down, have them in front of you every single day. I tell people, have your 5 reasons, write down a list, put it somewhere where you're gonna see it every day. Maybe that's like the bathroom mirror, or take a picture of the list and put it as your lock screen, because every time you look at your phone, you will see that list of goals. And motivation right there in front of you at all times of the day. It's really important to believe in yourself and not only find that physical strength that comes with exercise, but find that mental strength and find what you really love about working out and being at the gym or doing your favorite fitness video. What do you really love about that? And harness that and carry that with you. And so when you're sitting around one day and you're like, I just really don't want to go to the gym, think of why you really do want to go to the gym. I mean, you feel so much better once you go. There was multiple times in college when I didn't want to take the walk to go all the way to the gym because it was freezing cold outside. And I was like, man, I do not feel like going to the gym today. It has nothing to do with actually working out. It's just I do not want to make the trip there. You have to think of the end goal. You know, it's 10 minutes of pain in the freezing cold to, you know, an awesome hour of feeling good, of getting after what you want. And you carry that awesome feeling of working out with you for the rest of the day. It's all about what you want, what means the most to you. And so when you're looking for your motivation, just think about that. What is really important to you and what are you going to carry with you every single day so you don't lose that motivation? Well, I hope you guys found a little bit of help in this video. I'd say your next steps is to make your list of your 5 reasons why and put that somewhere where you will see it every second of every day. Start your day off strong and the day off strong and get that workout in because it's always worth it in the end. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I also hope that you found it helpful. Make sure you leave a comment below telling me what are your 5 reasons why. I want to hear you don't have to list all 5 reasons. I want to hear your top reason, your number 1 on the list, why you want to work out, why you want to start working out, why you want to lose weight, whatever your goal is. I want to hear it and I want to be here to help you. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below so you're always getting the latest tips from We Made It Fit, and you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and my blog, and all of those links are down below. You just find me at We Made It Fit for all of them. Okay guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Stay fit.